think this is called Parkland Cemetery. It's here in Bowling Green. And there's a particular part of the cemetery that I want to show, and that's the veterans part. And apparently they have a World War II section because there is a depiction of the Eiffel Tower right here at the beginning of where all of these obviously military headstones are. Really a beautiful place. Well, this is not only a tower, it's also a flagpole. And I'm going to walk up here real quick and I'm going to read this plaque. There's a plaque with an inscription, and then there's a stone. Dedicated 1958 in memory of those of Warren County who gave their lives in the service of their country. Warren County Chapter, American War Mothers. Then it names World War I, Korea, and Vietnam on this side, and I'll bet you anything the other side is full of World War II veterans. Yep, exactly what I thought. And apparently all of these names are brothers in arms who were buried here, who fell in combat. And this says Blue Star Memorial Byway, a tribute to the Armed Forces of America, Cardinal Council of Garden Clubs, National Council of State Garden Clubs Incorporated. And there's your history lesson for today, folks.